Is it right? It's right. Yes.
It's good.
That way.
Don't take my comments.
Like, he's like, try that. And I was like, is it good? Like, I got
This is a decent side card.
Chris, I'm gonna kick your ass.
You know who needs this card? Like, Alfonso.
I told you they scaled these packs.
You saw him open the box in front of you. They don't scale these. Maybe they scale the box.
Son of a bitch. I got Brian. Brian of the Yang.
The Earth.
Brian.
Is there anything good to pull in here?
No.
Yeah, the shit also.
Is it?
Nothing wrong with them.
next Friday is probably going to be a box.
A what?
Box turning.
Box.
Where?
Oh,
Ooh,
You got it!
Dante.
You got it!
on Friday.
Is there any tourneys tomorrow?
Dante.
Is there anything tomorrow?
Nah.
Isn't that the card you wanted?
Oh yeah, we win.
That's the card I wanted.
High five, Chris. You're like, I'm gonna kill you, Chris.
That happened.
You're alright, Chris. You're alright.
You're welcome.
Last one.
You almost bent it.
Alright, Chris is going where he could open it.
Hey, do I gotta keep what's in here?
Put your back into it.
Ah, fucking Cheeto fingers. What the fuck?
You got Dante. You got your money's worth.
Where'd I go? Swag.
Oh shit.